back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kyla and I do makeup videos. That's really all I have for you. Today we are going to do another gratis haul, as you've seen in my title bar. This is kind of two gratises combined because one of them was kind of small. We are just going to jump on into things. I forgot something. Oh, well, we'll just talk about it. So this is kind of like the haul. It's tons of gratis. I really like gratis. It's, you know, free makeup, so weird. The first one is kind of, I'll just do the smaller one first. The first thing that I'm missing is a Lancome eye cream. I actually have been using it and I really like it. You only need a little bit and I just feel like it has helped my eyes look less tired. So I really enjoy that, and it's upstairs. That was something that I got to pick for winning something. I don't remember why. And then I also got to I picked out this Peter Thomas Roth sunscreen. It's a powder sunscreen, and they have two of these. This one is like tinted, even though it says translucent. The newer one does not look as orange. This will probably be like okay when I am tan, like because like when it first goes on it looks super orange, but like you can kind of blend it out and it's not as bad. It's just not my shade right now, but it comes with this little brush on the top and the products inside. It has an SPF of 45. It has titanium dioxide and zinc oxide powder for on-the-go UVA UVB chemical-free sun protection with vitamins A, C, and E. This is going to be good in the summer when I am super, like when I get oily or I'm super dry right now, so that's not so ideal, but in the summer it will be. The next thing that I got is a Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring, well, it's Alterna. Restructuring Bond Repair 3-in-1 Sealing Serum, rebonds and protects damaged hair. My hair's not really damaged. I colored it like ages ago. Like it's been well over a year to a year and a half since I've done that, and I got just highlights. I rarely straighten it, like not even once a month. I don't do anything to it. I don't blow dry it, nothing. So my hair's not really damaged, but this would be kind of cool if you had damaged hair to see. I do like Caviar stuff though, like one of their little oils is really nice, and the spray for frizz is really nice. They just have some good stuff. And then I got the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. It's an elixir. It has oil, but it's also kind of like a serum. I'm really excited to try this. I need to bring this upstairs because I keep forgetting that I have it. I am excited to try Kiehl's. A lot of people really like it, and this is supposed to be a good one. So if it doesn't break me out, we might have a new oil in the house. Just saying. I like to put oil on my skin. So, and that's a full size too, so it's pretty exciting. Then I got the Hourglass mascara, the Caution one. I have a ton of mascaras open. I'm actually interested in opening some new ones soon. I need to like get rid of the ones that I have, so this might be one of the ones I pick. I might do like an Instagram poll, like which one should I try out, and then just like try out a couple of mascaras in like a video. So yeah. Then I got this little box from Drunk Elephant. It is the retinol. It says retinol reimagined. This one's a lover, not a fighter, and it's the Apassione retinol cream. And it says, remember to go slow in the beginning and allow your skin to adjust. Alternate nights with TLC. You don't need a lot, and you can mix it up with B-Hydra. I mixed this with the B-Hydra. Yes, I do. It came with a B-Hydra. And this is not the full size. It's just a mini. But it's, like, I've been using this for a month and a half, 2 months now. I started it, like, right around New Year's, I think. So about a month and a half, and it's a yellow. I mix it with this B-Hydra. I was afraid that it was going to leave me super dry and like flaky, because that has happened with a lot of people, but I have not had that happen because I do mix it with the B-Hydra and I top it with an oil. So a lot of people, when they just use this alone, they find that it really dries them out and flakes, so you have to mix it with the B-Hydra, like it's just a thing or something. So I cut it in equal parts. I use a hydrating primer, usually the Peter Thomas Roth one, and then I go in with this mixture, even though it's a cream, and then I use marula oil, and then I put my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream on top, and then I do a sleeping mask. And I know I'm super broken out right now and I know why I'm broken out, but Otherwise, this totally controls my breakouts. I'm broken out now because I've been using a vitamin C. Because I really want to use a vitamin C, but they break me out, as you can see. But, anyways, next is this nice goodie bag. And first we have a Glam Glow Good in Bed Passion Fruit Softening Night Cream. I already know that I'm not the biggest fan of this. I tried it at work. We've had it for a while. We've had it for a while. I'm not that big of a fan. It's not a heavy enough cream for me. And I know you can use it as an overnight mask, I think. So that might be what I do. It says, it's a softening night cream. Good in Bed is a creamy passion fruit night cream that gives you sexy, soft skin every morning. How to use: massage a thin layer into skin to absorb while you sleep. Use nightly or as desired. So, I might just use this as like an overnight mask. It comes with a magnet. And one of those little hair, like, you know those hair ties that kind of look like this? But this is like a headband. So that's kind of neat for like masking. And they gave us the tiniest little one. They always do that. When they send little things, they don't ever send a full size. They send like little babies. And I feel like this is good for like 3 uses, which is nice to like kind of get a feel, but you don't know like if it's really going to work for you unless you can get multiple uses out of it. So grateful to try it though, even though I used it at work. The instructions are not in English. Okay, anyways, I might try that. And the next thing I got is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner in Zero, or Eye Pencil. I have this. I don't know why they sent this to me, or like they gave me this. Like I already have this color. Maybe if they gave us like a more wild color, not black, because that's what Zero is. It's a matte black, I believe. I don't know. But it's a mini as well, which is fine because I don't use a little crazy kind of eyeliner like that. Not black eyeliner, at least. I can't get it out. But it's a black. I have it somewhere, so I can probably just swatch the one I have if it's not super old and dry. Found it! So this is what she looks like swatched. So it's kind of like a gray black, but it's super creamy, so I mean, I'm not mad at it. It's just, I'm pretty sure I have at least one backup as well. So next is another eyeliner. It's from Lancome. It says, the writing is in silver and the packaging is gold. Drama Liquid Pencil Extreme Longwear Eyeliner in the shade Lumiere. So it's a silver, which is ironic because the bottom is black, so you would think it would be black, but it's not. It's silver. So I appreciate them doing a color that isn't common. And that's super creamy and super pretty. I'm tempted to like put some on under here, but we won't. That's really stunning though, so I'm excited actually to use that one a lot. Then I got this roller lash thing. It says Matte Woman and her sidekick Cat Eye. Roller Liner Precision Matte Liquid Liner. And you open it up, it's Velcroed, and it shows you about their new eyeliner. The full size is $22, and the mini is $12. It says, get matte, get even. Roller liner glides on a smooth, precise line and quick dries to a natural matte finish. It's the perfect everyday liquid liner. The key is the precision tip, clean, controlled lines, super smooth, won't drag or lag. Available in black and brown. I appreciate that it's black and brown, and it is waterproof. It says it won't fade, flake, bleed, or smudge. Glides on smoothly to create a precise line that quick dries to a true matte finish. And then they also gave us the full-size Roller Lash Mascara, which is nice because I've never tried this, and everyone talks about it, so I'm excited to. That might be one of the mascaras I try, because I'm excited. And it's supposed to curl and lift. The Bad Girl Bang is volumizing, and the They're Real is lengthening. I have both of those, I think, in minis. I have the Bad Girl Bang in full-size, I think. My friend Canvas really likes this, so I am actually like try this one out because she loves it. It's just, oop, I pulled the cap off and got black ink everywhere. But I can't get it. Oh, it was super stuck on there, and some of the paper came off with it. However, I'm excited for that one as well. I might as well take the mascara off as well. Oh. And then we got 2 more mascaras. This is just the Gratis of mascaras. I got the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes in their fancy packaging, like the glittery one. I have this. I've used it. Actually, I think it might be out. Or I don't have one open at least. And then I got the Better Than Sex waterproof, which is nice. I think they send us one of these like every 3 to 4 months, because I've gotten quite a few Better Than Sex and Gratis. I've never gotten the waterproof one, but it's something that's really nice of them, just to like, because they know that you're supposed to throw it out every so often, so that's really generous to like keep restocking us. 2 more things, we are almost done. The first one is the Origins A Perfect World SPF 40 Age Defense Moisturizer with white tea. It's a 1/2 ounce. This is something that we often, like that my work often does. They will, if a product was in as a 100-point perk and then like they stopped having it as a 100-point perk, they'll give them to us because there's no point in sending them back. You can't like sell them from Sephora's like distributor, like their warehouse, so they'll just give us the point perks, which is nice because it's always good to have a good SPF. And this is an SPF and a moisturizer, so you really can't go wrong. Right now I'm using the Peter Thomas Roth moisturizer, no, SPF squeezy one. I like that one, doesn't break me out. Then this one is probably one of the things I'm most excited for because it's a face mask. It's the Milk face mask. It's the Matcha Detoxifying face mask. How many times can I say face mask? I just did a detoxifying face mask last night, and I really liked it. I did the Origins one. I'm trying to use the ones that I have right now more often. I'm terrible at that. I'll like get samples of new masks and try them out, but I don't use what I have, and I have tons of masks, and I really need to use them because they're going to go bad. So that's what I'm trying to do. But this one's a stick, and I put this on my hand at work, and it's pretty cool, so I'm excited for this. I kind of want to try the brightening one, too. My friend got that one, though. Same girl that likes the roller lash canvas. Yeah, so I'm really excited to try this. So that being said, that's my GRATIS for this go-round. I know I kind of went through pretty quickly, but if you want to see something used like this liner or a review of the retinol or the Kiehl's or just something, let me know down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I should have said that at the beginning. I'm trying to work on that, saying it at the beginning, because I'm trying to grow, okay? Please like and subscribe. You might as well, like, at least subscribe. You're already here, so you might as, like, you made it most, like, pretty much the whole way through. But, yeah, that being said, I'm going to scooch on out of here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. We are climbing over there. I'm almost to 8K, so we're getting there. That's really all I gotta say. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!